Hey guys, Dr. Mike here. Can you reverse kidney disease even in stage 5? It's a scary diagnosis, but there's always hope. Advanced CKD needs professional care, but you can support your kidneys naturally. The right foods can help restore kidney function. Discover the best natural remedies and lifestyle changes. Ready to take control of your kidney health? Stick around. Let's quickly understand how amazing your kidneys are. They filter waste, balance fluids, and regulate blood pressure. Chronic kidney disease hampers this function. Toxins build up, causing fatigue and swelling. Simple diet and lifestyle changes can help. Even small changes make a big difference. Let's talk about some kidney-loving superstars. First up, okra. This veggie reduces inflammation and supports kidney function. Next, bitter melon. It's great for your diet, especially if you're watching blood sugar. Garlic fights high blood pressure, a common CKD issue. Berries and apples are fantastic choices, bursting with antioxidants. Finally, load up on leafy greens like kale and spinach. They balance minerals, crucial for kidney support. Now, just as important as knowing what to eat is knowing what to limit. Processed foods are often loaded with sodium, leading to water retention and making your kidneys work harder. Red meat, while okay in moderation, can overload your kidneys with protein waste products. Sugary drinks increase the risk of diabetes, a leading cause of kidney failure. Dairy products can raise phosphorus levels in your blood, harmful to weakened kidneys. Knowing what to avoid can make a big difference in protecting your kidneys. Simple lifestyle changes can greatly benefit your kidneys. Stay hydrated. Water helps flush out toxins. Consult your doctor for the right amount. Herbal teas like dandelion root and nettle tea aid in gentle detoxifying. Manage stress. Chronic stress affects your kidneys. Yoga and meditation improve circulation and promote relaxation. Mental and emotional well-being is crucial for overall health. So, can you reverse kidney disease naturally? While it's essential to work closely with your doctor, incorporating these dietary and lifestyle changes can significantly support your kidney health. Even small steps in the right direction can make a big difference. Start by incorporating 1 or 2 changes at a time and gradually build from there. Your kidneys will thank you. Like, share, and subscribe for more life-changing health tips. Your kidneys are vital, and they can often heal with the right support. Always follow your doctor's advice, but by incorporating these natural strategies, you're giving your body the best fighting chance. Whether you're dealing with CKD or just want to keep your kidneys in tip-top shape, these tips can make a real difference. Take charge of your health, make those positive changes, and let's get those kidneys happy and healthy.